So another trading strategy you can use is breakout trading. Now this is pretty much the opposite of our bottom fish. On the example you see here, the price is slowly moving up till eventually it hits $18.90, and we just start chipping away. There's a big group of people here who want to sell at $18.90. They refuse to sell for any less, and they will not move. So everyone who's buying has to buy all of the shares at $18.90 before it can move. And they sit there and they chip away at it hour after hour after hour. Eventually, the sellers are gone. There's no one left selling at $18.90, but that demand stays there, that wall comes down, and the price skyrockets. So this works because there's buying after a big breakout resistance. You've used up all of the supply, but demand is still strong. So the few sellers who are there in the order book are stretched out way beyond $18.90, and anyone who's coming in needs to contend with a price above $18.90 if they want to sell inside their little tornado of volatility. The price tends to move very, very quickly. This trading strategy requires you to be able to identify these areas of resistance. It requires quick thinking and actions when these walls do come down. It's very volatile, but it can be incredibly profitable. And there are some people who only trade breakouts. They do so very consistently and very effectively. So the question is, why does it work? If you broke in $18.90, you bought all of the shares that are there, there's no one left on the ask to sell. So the order book must populate after the fact, and it's going to do so much higher than $18.90 because the sellers recognize that there's a demand, so they're going to try and get as much profit as possible. When the wall comes down, that big barrage of people on the other side stampede across the line and buy up everything that they can. There's a lot of enthusiasm, people are excited, they want the price to move, it's fun to watch, and it creates this positive feedback loop where you're looking at a stock or you're maybe in a chat room and people are saying, look, Tesla's breaking out, price is moving fast, and it might just keep going and you don't know how long it's going to go. So there is an enthusiastic feedback loop that gets you excited, that gets other people excited, and it creates this almost unstoppable train of profit. And breakout trading can be a lot of fun. There's a lot more risk than bottom fishing, but if you are quick and you recognize the signals and recognize the reversals, using breaks on resistance can be very, very effective for your own trading.